You are going to love the 2023 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.